Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my latest Smytten haul. If you are new here, Smytten offers a fantastic range of trial products across beauty, grooming, wellness and more. Let's dive into this unboxing and see what amazing products we have this time. Alright, let's open up this box. I always love Smytten's packaging. It's so sleek and elegant. Look at this, everything is so neatly packed. Let's start exploring these products one by one. First up, we have the Bombay Precision Face Razor for women. This tool is great for removing fine facial hair and peach fuzz, giving you a smoother complexion. It's very sleek and easy to handle. This will definitely come in handy for those quick touch-ups. Next we have the Miss Nails Mini Nail Paint in the shade 24A. This cute little bottle is perfect for travel and on-the-go touch-ups. The color is vibrant and it dries pretty quickly. I love how compact and convenient it is. Moving on, we have the Million Colors Standardized Pencil in white. This is great for adding a pop of brightness to your eyes and creating some fun, creative looks. The pigment is strong and it applies very smoothly. This will be fun to experiment with different makeup styles. And finally, we have a free gift included in the order. It's the Plum Skin Care Regimen Kit, which is worth Rs 839. This combo includes a variety of skincare essentials from Plum. I have heard great things about Plum's products. They are known for their natural ingredients and effective formulations. I can't wait to try these out. That's everything in our Smytten box today. I'm really impressed with the variety and quality of these products. If you are interested in trying out some new products yourself, definitely check out Smytten. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more unboxing videos. Let me know in the comments which product you are most excited about. Thanks for watching and see you next time.